So, talking about European geography, just a quick revision. Europe has different regions like any other continent. One is Southern Europe, then we have Western Europe, Central Europe, Northern Europe, and Eastern Europe. Starting with Southern Europe, the major countries are Portugal, Spain, Italy, and Greece. We are done with Portugal, capital being Lisbon, city code and airport code LIS. Then coming on to Spain, Spain, the capital city is Madrid, city code is MAD, and airport code is also MAD. The other major city being Barcelona, city and airport code is BCN, and Malaga, the city code and airport code for which is AGP, Malaga. Coming on to Italy, the capital city Rome with the city code ROM and uh, airport code FCO. FCO. Are you getting? Right. Now, the next major airport within Italy is Milan. Now, Milan is the city code is very simple. MIL, Milan, as in the name MIL, Milan. But it has got two airports, Linet, LIN, Linet Airport, LIN, then MXP, Milan International Airport. Alright? So, Milan, Rome. Do you know there is another third major city within Italy, Venice? Yeah? Venice, VCE, city and airport code. Venice, VCE is the city and airport code. So guys, we don't want to do entire all the countries, all the cities and then remember nothing. Instead, we will do the major, the popular, the most required, those countries and cities which you are supposed to know, basically at least to begin with. So in that, keeping that in mind, the major countries within Southern Europe is Portugal, Spain, Italy, and Athens. So we're done with Portugal, Spain, and Italy. Let's move on to the last major country in Europe, which is Greece. Now, Greece, the capital city is Athens, ATHENS. Athens, the city code and airport code, you can write it down as ATH. ATH. Alright, we're done with Southern Europe, at least the major countries, if not all. You can also include one more city in here, which is Turkey. This one. This one. This is Portugal. This is Spain. This was Italy. This was Greece. And this is Turkey. Alright. Now, Turkey, the major airports is Istanbul, IST. But the capital is not Istanbul, mind you. Let me tell you, this is the city. If you can see my screen, Ankara is the capital. Ankara, yeah? Ankara is the capital city of Turkey, not Istanbul. Istanbul is one of the major cities, but not. Let me just get you the code for Ankara. I'm not sure about this. Okay, ESB is called Esenboga. Ankara Esenboga Airport, ESB. Ankara Esenboga International Airport, hence the code ESB. The other major city within Turkey is Istanbul. Istanbul, the city code is IST. IST. Alright? This is Istanbul for you. IST, city code and airport code Istanbul is IST. So Ankara, and then we have Istanbul. Alright. So moving on, these are the 4 countries or 5 countries within Southern Europe that I want you to know. Which are those 5 countries? Can you please tell me? Perfect. Portugal, Spain, Italy, Greece, and Turkey. Portugal, capital is Lisbon, LIS, city and airport code. Spain, Madrid, MAD, city and airport code. Barcelona is BCN, city and airport code. Malaga, city and airport code AGP. Then we went on to Italy. Italy, capital city is Rome. ROM is the city code. FCO is the airport code. Milan, MIL is the city code, but it's got 2 airports, LIN and MXP. Venice is VCE. Greece, city and airport code for Athens is ATH. Turkey, the capital city is Ankara. The city code is and the airport code is ESB. And for Istanbul, it's IST. So this is Southern Europe for you. Simple and easy. Alright, any doubts, any questions on this, please ask before we go on to the